How long do car clutches really last? Signs, costs, types, and how to avoid failure. If you're driving a manual transmission, your clutch is doing a lot more than you might think, and when it goes bad, it's not cheap. So, how long does a clutch actually last? What are the warning signs to look out for? And when it does need replacing, how much is it really going to cost? In this video, we're covering everything: clutch lifespan, types of clutches, failure symptoms, pricing in the US and UK, and how to make your clutch last as long as possible. Whether you're new to stick shift or you've been driving manual for years, this one's for you. What is a clutch really? The clutch is the connection between your car's engine and gearbox. When you press the pedal, it disconnects the power so you can shift gears, release it, and the power flows back to the wheels. The system includes the clutch disc, which wears down over time, the pressure plate, which squeezes the disc, the flywheel, which stores rotational energy, and the release bearing, which moves everything in sync. Every time you change gears, your clutch is working. Types of clutches. Explained. Single, dual mass, and more. Not all clutches are created equal. Here's a breakdown of the most common types. 1. Single plate clutch, most common in everyday manual cars. One disc between the flywheel and pressure plate. 2. Multi-plate clutch, found in motorcycles and performance cars. More plates equals more friction surface. 3. Dual mass flywheel, DMF, common in diesel and turbocharged cars, uses two flywheels connected by springs. 4th hydraulic versus cable, operation. Older cars use a cable, newer ones use hydraulics for smoother pedal feel. How long do clutches last? Most clutches last between 50,000 and 100,000 miles, depending on driving habits. City driving, resting your foot on the pedal, towing, and aggressive driving can shorten clutch life. Highway driving and smooth shifting can extend it past 120,000 miles. Who makes most of the world's clutches? Two global giants dominate: Luki, Schaeffler Group, and Valeo. They supply OEM and aftermarket clutches known for quality and longevity. Signs: your clutch is starting to fail. Signs include slipping, revving with no acceleration, burning smell, stiff or soft pedal, hard gear shifts, high bite point. How much does a clutch replacement cost? US and UK. In the US, $800 to $1,500, sometimes $2,000 plus for performance vehicles. Clutch kit, $150 to $400. Flywheel, $300 to $600. Labor, $500 to $1,000 in the UK. £600 to £1,200, up to £1,500 for premium models. How to make your clutch last longer. Don't ride the clutch. Use neutral at stops. Use handbrake on hills. Shift at correct RPMs. Avoid towing heavy loads. With good driving habits, your clutch can last the life of your car. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to Auto Care Academy. Comment below. Have you had your clutch replaced? What did it cost you?